In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the work not submitted problem in Google Classroom. If you're a student facing the frustrating situation where your work isn't showing as submitted, even when you've completed it, don't worry. We're going to walk through some straightforward steps that should help you resolve this issue quickly and efficiently. First, make your way over to the Google Classroom app or website and select the class you're dealing with. Once you're in, navigate to the Classwork tab. This is where you can find all the assignments and check their respective statuses. Look for the specific assignment causing trouble. You may notice that the status says assigned, turned in, or missing. If it shows up as assigned or missing, it's essential to double check if you've clicked the turn in button or mark as done if no files are needed to accompany the assignment. This step is crucial because just completing the work isn't enough. You need to make sure you've officially submitted it within Google Classroom. Now, if the status says turned in, but you're still having issues, the next thing to do is open the assignment to verify whether the right file is attached. Sometimes in the hustle and bustle of student life, we may overlook uploading the necessary file or encounter unexpected errors that prevent it from attaching properly. If you find your file is indeed missing or wasn't uploaded as expected, click on the assignment to open it back up. Here you'll need to use the Add or Create option, usually located within the assignment page. From there, choose Upload your file and select the correct document you wish to submit. This could be a saved piece on your drive or your computer that wasn't initially uploaded. Once you've successfully attached your file, remember to click Turn in again. This additional step reconfirms your submission. Sometimes technical glitches can occur, so don't skip this part. Another key factor is ensuring your internet connection is stable during the submission process. An unstable connection can sometimes cause disruptions, leading to incomplete uploads. Finally, check the format of your file. Make sure it's in a format that Google Classroom supports, such as a PDF, doc, or PPT. Unsupported formats might not upload correctly or appear as incomplete. If after following these steps you're still encountering issues, consider reaching out directly to your teacher. Use the private comments section on the assignment page for this. Politely explain the problem you're facing and kindly ask if they could assist by marking it as submitted. This ensures clear communication, and teachers are often more than willing to help resolve these technical obstacles. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle the work not submitted problem effectively, allowing you to focus more on your studies and less on technical issues. Good luck and happy learning.